Everyone tells FPV beginners to just practice in the simulator, but almost nobody tells you what to practice. So you spend hours of flying and still crash in real life. That's not a skill problem, that's a practice problem. In this video, I'll show you the exact skills you should train in the simulator in the right order so your flying actually improves. Skill number 1, throttle control. This is your foundation. If your altitude isn't stable, nothing else will feel stable. Here is a quick test. If you can't hold a hover over one spot for 10 to 15 seconds without drifting, your simulator practice is skipping the basics. In the simulator, pick a fixed reference point. Hover and make tiny corrections only. This single drill improves every FPV style: freestyle, cinematic, and racing. Most beginners move on too fast. That's where the next mistake happens. Skill number 2, smooth turns. Beginners usually turn too hard. Sharp stick inputs feels responsive, but they kill flow. Instead, practice wide, smooth turns. Choose two objects and fly slow, figure eights around them. It feels slow. That's why it works. This trains momentum control and make your flying looks clean in real life. At this point, your flying should already feel smoother. But there is one skill that determines whether you crash or recover. Skill number 3, recoveries. Getting upside down, losing orientation, bad angles. Most beginners never train this, and that's why crashes feels random. In the simulator, intentionally put yourself in bad positions. Rolling upright, cutting throttle safely, and recovering from awkward angles. When this becomes automatic, panic disappears. Here's the rule that makes all of this work. Never practice without intention. Before every simulator session, decide what single skill am I training right now. 5 focus minutes beats 30 minutes of random flying. This is how simulator practice turns into real-world skill. If you practice throttle control, smooth turns, and recoveries in that order, your simulator time will finally pay off. These drills aren't flashy, they are effective. Open your simulator, pick one skill, and train it properly. You'll feel the difference in your very next flight. Happy flying!